Welcome guys to Channel Auto Surgery. Today we have a 2019 Ram 1500 Classic 5.7. Customers complaining every time we start the vehicle in the morning, you hear some noise from the manifold in the front. Let's check it out together, guys. This is the sexy right here. Yes, Ram 1500 Classic. Hemi 5.7. On the driver's side here, this is where the noise coming from. Under here, we have to remove that big plastic. Once we remove it, we're gonna have access with the manifold over here. Yes, it's wide under here. Let's start moving stuff now. Let's remove that ABS plugs here. Now, on the floor, you stay here. Okay. Now we have more accessibility to see where we're gonna walk. We're gonna warm up. We're gonna warm up this guy, warm up this guy as well. And take it out. Make it red. This heat shield. That heat shield already messed up. There's one here too as well. Okay. Just attacking the heat shield first. Guys, here's the sexy right here. I just removed the heat shield. The heat shield, this is the heat shield was on it. As you guys can see here, you see those smoke. Those dark smoke. Yeah, this is it right there. How sexy is cracking right here. Yeah, this is it. It's cracking. You have to replace the whole piece. Not only the gasket, we have to replace the whole piece. All right. So now, we're just gonna call the customer. Then let them know what's happening. Let's check it out, guys. This is it. As you guys can see, those black smoke is coming out from there. Let's see where the problem is coming from. Boom, right here. The manifold is cracked. Just need to replace the whole piece. We're gonna warm it up with some good heat and take that sexy out, both sides. 2019 Hemi 5.7 Ram 1500 Classic. It's a nice, sexy. We're gonna call the customer. We will know what's gonna be happening next. We already take out the top one. Everything is looking good on the top. The bottom part is, this is the bottom one. We already take 4 of them. This is the last one here, and the bottom one. We're gonna do something with it. It's not easy, but Okay. But you not come here this way, my friend. If you come in here, we're gonna meet each other. You tell me your name and I will tell you mine. Yes, baby. Come on. You're doing good. Still hot. Oh, oh, oh. Still hot. I have to put this camera down, guys. Sorry. I need to use my two hands. Into Papa. Come into Papa. Come on, sexy. Alright, welcome. Whew. As the driver side, it's not easy to come out. You make me sweat. Yes, she make me sweat to come out. This is the old pot. I'm gonna get the new one. This is the one. This is from the dealer. Mopo pot. As you guys can see, there's a sign for Mopo. There's a Mopa. Yes, Mopa pot. This is it. Everything coming with it. Even this coming with the heat shield as well. Gasket is coming complete. This is coming complete. And all those hardware, we're gonna use the new one. I'm not gonna use the old one. I'm just gonna pass a little sandpaper here to make it nice and soft. Then we'll put it in. Let's go and put some soft sandpaper to make it nice. We're not gonna put passing no grinder. Grinder is not allowed. Okay. This is it, guys. Just gonna tie it up now. I'm gonna tie it up. Then tie it up, good to go. Everything you make sure you put it with hand tight before you start anything. So now, just gonna tie it up. Not 1, 2, 3. We'll just do it in course. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And after that, we tuck it. Boom. Thank you. WD-40 inside, and you go with this. Now it's ready, coming to come out now. Coming to Papa. Alright. Alright, sexy. Come on, see. Stay here. And you come in here. Alright. This is it. Still hot. That's a hard part. The driver's side, everything is look good on it. Look at the under here. Let me show you the other side. Oh. That's the other side here. And the one little problem that we have here, we have one boat is broken here. Let me show it to you. This piece is broken from here, so I'm gonna drill it to make sure it's come out. I have to do it, so this is gonna take a little bit time to drill it, to fight with it, to make it sure to come out. After that, the rest, it's look good. As you can see. This is it. Right there. This one side here. Oops. As you can see. This is it, baby. Come on, sexy. Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Have you mercy? Yes! Have you mercy? ladies and gentlemen, this is the sexy right here. Everything is done. Everything is put it back on. Here's a new one. This is on the driver's side and the passenger side as well. Let's go. Let's see. Here's the passenger side here. And this is the driver's side. It's ready to go home. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We have Telfor here with us, coming to check us out. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe and share with your friends and family. Someone might be has the same problem, then you can help that person. Please share and comment. If you like that video, please thumbs up. If you doesn't like it, you may say no. If you doesn't like it, you give me the reason why. Then next time I'll be provide a better video than that. Remember, Jesus is coming soon. Get ready, guys. Get ready. He's coming. He's right in the corner.